The success of an organization is largely dependent on workforce productivity. Workforce productivity is enhanced by keeping the workforce well connected so that they can have access to resources irrespective of whether they are at work, home, or on the move. Windows 7 improves connectivity with the help of features like mobile broadband and direct access, and helps IT administrators to keep the mobile computers up to date when away from the network. This screencast shows you how. More and more mobile users are using wireless data cards to stay connected to the Internet every day. Currently, wireless data cards come with their proprietary connection manager software, and user experience changes with the card and the software used. Even IT administrators find it difficult to support various connection managers for different wireless connections used within their enterprise environment. With Windows 7, it is much simpler to connect your computer to the Internet using a wireless data card, regardless of which cellular provider you use. The process is similar to connecting to any other wireless network using the View Available Networks user interface. The user on this demo is on a business trip to Redmond. While he is waiting for his flight at the airport, he wants to know about the weather of Redmond. The user does not need to install any additional software. The drivers for his data card is installed on first use. He inserts his wireless WAN card into his computer soon after he is connected to the mobile broadband connection automatically and is able to navigate through the web. Mobile broadband, a native wireless wide area network, or WAN, connection manager in Windows 7 provides a consistent, unified view of wireless WAN connectivity for end users and IT pros alike. The users have a more consistent experience across third-party components, regardless of hardware or network service. They also benefit from a single user interface for all of their connectivity needs. In the office, users have easy access to network resources such as SharePoint sites, servers, and applications to work and collaborate. The administrators in the IT department can easily keep the computers of the users up to date and running smoothly. As more and more users go mobile, working from homes, cafes, or customer sites, accessing corporate network resources with remote access solutions, such as VPN, becomes difficult. It requires extra effort for users to remain connected to the network. Also, it makes it harder for the administrators to manage mobile computers. Direct access helps mobile users stay more productive when accessing remote information. A mobile user can easily navigate to intranet sites or internal file shares and access documents from remote location without establishing a VPN connection. The user is waiting for his flight to Redmond and he is connected to the Internet using his mobile broadband connection. He can now connect to the internal website of his company using direct access. He can also extract information from the internal links available in email messages without having to dial VPN. His experience is the same as that of accessing information from his desktop at the workplace. Based on IPv6 technology, direct access streamlines the management of remote computers. Administrators no longer need to wait for users to return to the office or to connect to VPNs to update the computers. They can now keep the remote computers up to date with required policies or updates anytime the computers connect to the Internet. The users are not even required to be logged on to the corporate network. Direct access also provides improved security by taking advantage of IPsec for authentication and encryption. IT administrators can configure the direct access server to restrict the servers that users and individual applications can access, and optionally required smart cards for authentication. Direct access integrates with network access protection to perform compliance checking on client computers before allowing them to connect to internal resources. By default, Windows 7 does not deploy direct access automatically. If you choose to enable direct access, you need to deploy Windows 7 Enterprise Edition or Windows 7 Ultimate Edition computers. You also need to deploy Windows Server 2008 R2 Direct Access Server on the edge of your network. With direct access, client computers are always connected, better protected, and easier to manage.